Let's convert any PDF file into an audiobook using just a few lines of Python code. And the best part about this project is that you don't need any advanced Python skills at all. In this video, I'll guide you step by step, explaining everything in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. So with that said, let's move to our code editor. So the first thing we need to do to make our code talk to us is to create our own text-to-speech system. For this, we need to install a Python package called Python Text-to-Speech version 3. To install this package, we need to open our terminal and type pip install pyttsx3. Here, py represents Python, TTS represents text-to-speech, and x3 represents version 3. Once the installation process is complete, we can now create our own text-to-speech program in Python. The first thing we need to do is import Python text-to-speech version 3. Now we create a variable that will start our text-to-speech engine for us. So we write speak equal Python text-to-speech version 3.init. What this line does is it initializes the text-to-speech engine. Now we can give something to our speech engine to say. So we write speak.say, and inside this we write something that we want our program to say. For example, I'll write, "Hello everyone, let's learn how to make our own audiobook in Python." Finally, we write speak.run and wait. This line processes our speech command and waits until the program is done speaking. Now let's see if our program works as expected.
Hello everyone, let's learn how to make our own audiobook in Python. Hello everyone, let's learn how to make our own audiobook in Python.
As you can hear, our program works perfectly. With just 4 lines of code, we now have a program that can speak for us. Now we need to load a PDF file into our program so that we can make an audiobook. In this process, we'll also learn how to count the total number of pages in our PDF and how to extract text from any specific page. First, we need a PDF file. As you can see, I have already downloaded one PDF file for this project. Next, we need another Python package called Python PDF2. This library helps us open, read, and extract text from PDF files. So we install it using pip by typing pip install pypdf2. Once the installation is complete, we import this into our program. Now we open the PDF file in our program. We write file equal open and pass the name of our PDF file and open it in read binary mode. Next, we tell the Python PDF2 library to read our PDF file. To do this, we create a variable called PDFReader and set it equal to pypdf2, and then we will use the PDFReader method, and inside it we will pass our file as the argument. This PDFReader variable, which is actually an object, acts as a bridge between our program and the PDF file. It allows us to extract text, count pages, and more. Now let's check how many pages our PDF file has. We create a variable called total pages and use the len function, and inside it we pass pdfreader.pages. Then we print the total number of pages. So now if we run the program, then you can see that we are getting the total number of pages that our PDF has and also the previous audio that we generated. Also, if we check the PDF, then you can see it matches the total number of pages. Now let's say we want to start reading from page number 12, because that's where the actual content begins. Since Python uses zero-based indexing, to access page number 12, we need to use index 11. So we create a variable called page and set it equal to pdfreader.pages, and then we use the square brackets, and inside the square brackets, we will pass the page number from where we want to start the reading. Next, we extract the text from this page by creating a variable called text and set it equal to page.extractText. So now all we have to do is to tell our speaker to read from this page only and not some random text. So here we will pass our text variable inside the speaker.say. And that's it. Our program can now read from the PDF file. So let's run the program again.
Chapter 1. Introduction. 1.1 What this book is, and what it isn't. This book provides implementations of common and uncommon algorithms in pseudocode, which is language independent and provides for easy porting to most imperative programming languages. It is not a definitive book on the theory of data structures and algorithms. For the most part, this book presents implementations devised by the authors themselves based on the concepts by which the respective algorithms are based upon, so it is more than possible that our implementations deregistered are from those.
As you can hear, our program is able to read from the specified page number. Now, instead of reading from a single page, let's make our program read from page number 12 all the way to the last page. To do this, we use a for loop. We write for page number in the range 11, total pages, and all the reading logic goes inside this loop. And here we change the index 11 to the page number. This loop will start reading the PDF from page number 12 and continue until the last page. And that's it. We now have our own audiobook made entirely with Python, which can read from a single page or the entire PDF. With just 13 lines of code, we were able to create our own text-to-speech software in Python. And if you want a complete graphical interface app for this program, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.